Hey, everybody out there. This is Sean Young, and I want to introduce you to my one-on-one coaching system setup program, where I sit down with you to come up with a strategic game plan for your wholesaling success. I not only help you set up your wholesaling real estate business, but I help you set up your LLC, help you hire your virtual assistant through my qualified team of virtual assistants, get that virtual assistant trained on cold calling, text blasting, CRM database management, running comps, sending out agreements, and so much more. I not only show you how to get deals using proven strategies, but I show you how to consistently bring in those deals using systems so that you can automate a large portion of your business and turn it on autopilot so that you have a business that's working for you versus you having to work for it. So guys, if you're tired of beating your head against a wall, buying courses out there that promise to give you everything you want, but only give you half of what you need, then I'm your guy. My goal is to give you everything that I've got to help you reach your goals in wholesaling real estate. So guys, don't hesitate. Schedule a call with me right now as slots are filling up fast. I can only accept 10 enrollments per month to ensure that I give each and every one of you the dedicated quality time that you so greatly deserve. So guys, what are you waiting on? Set up a call with me right now. Don't wait for your success to happen for you tomorrow. Your success is waiting for you right now. Help me, help you, help us all. I'll see you on the other side.